Hello friends, it's me Nonstop Creative. For those who are new to this channel, I am a watercolor artist. In this channel, I will show you different techniques, tips that enhance your creativity. Also, I try different artists' artwork just for inspiration. Join me to learn new things.
Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna show you easiest painting that you can practice without any problem. So here we are working wet on wet technique. It doesn't matter if you don't have watercolor paper, you can still do wet on wet technique. Just use a thick paper from any sketchbook. That will work as fine as watercolor paper. So first we'll work on the background of the painting. As you can see, my paper is totally wet, so the colors are spreading themselves. Try to stop too much bleeding. Always keep a dry brush so you can remove the excess water, and this way you can keep the color on its specific space. Work on one side at a time and let the water blend the colors.